Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily auto-launch your Discord on computer startup. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over into the Windows search and type startup apps. So as you guys can see, now we are in the settings. Let me make them bigger. Here, what you want to do is we want to find the setting right up top here and type in update. So if you cannot sort it like this, you can also sort it by startup impact. Sometimes there's no Control F, so we have to find it on our own. But here we have the update made by Discord Inc. And as you guys can see, we want to make sure that it is enabled. And basically now our Discord will turn on automatically because this is the update checker. And after the updates are checked, the Discord will also be enabled. So if you do not check for updates first and you disable it, your Discord will not turn on unless you go to Windows and then type in Discord right here. So that's how you guys can do it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.